Experience the perfect blend of comfort and modern elegance at 2217 Lazy Dog Lane in the award-winning Pecan Square community in Northlake, Texas. This north-facing David Weekley home offers high ceilings and thoughtful upgrades, including a drop-in gas cooktop, 42-inch shaker cabinets, and enhanced backsplash and premium flooring. The layout features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a dedicated office, ideal for work or study. The kitchen boasts quartz countertops and comes with an LG stainless refrigerator that stays. The primary suite features a spacious walk-in shower and ample closet space, complemented by 2 additional bedrooms, ensuring privacy and comfort. Outside, a covered patio and private backyard await your gatherings or tranquil evenings. Contact Ryan Shafer at 214-907-5816 for a tour